If you love precision woodworking, you already know the right tool makes all the difference. In this video, we're showing you the 10 coolest woodworking tools to buy in 2025, featuring some of the most innovative and accurate tools from Woodpeckers. These aren't just tools, they're precision-crafted solutions that make your cuts cleaner, your setups faster, and your projects look pro-level. From measuring tools to layout guides, router accessories, and setup blocks, Woodpeckers gear is built for serious woodworkers. And stick around. Tool number 7 might just become the centerpiece of your entire workshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Creating juice grooves and cutting boards and woodworking projects requires more than just cutting a simple channel. Traditional ball nose and core box bits leave sharp edges that can affect the look, feel, and even the flow of juices in kitchenware. Woodpecker's Ultra Shear Juice groove bits feature a unique chamfer leading into the arc, eliminating harsh edges typical of ball nose and core box bits. Available in 3 profiles: a 3/8 inch diameter cove with 30-degree chamfers, a 1/2 inch diameter cove with 30-degree chamfers, and a 90-degree V-groove with a 1/4 inch radius bottom. These bits offer versatility in groove appearance. The 3-flute design reduces chip load by 50%, making them perfect for routers of all sizes, including cordless palm routers and shaper origins. Manufactured in Strongsville, Ohio, and sold directly to woodworkers, these bits provide a great combination of quality and value. Accurate fence and blade alignment are crucial for achieving precise, safe cuts in any woodworking project. The Woodpeckers Simple Set fence gauges provide a fast, reliable physical reference between your miter slot and your blade or rip fence, eliminating guesswork and saving setup time. Whether you're aligning your fence, checking blade parallelism, or making repetitive cuts, these gauges ensure consistent, repeatable accuracy that improves results and reduces waste. Crafted in the USA with precision-machined aluminum bodies, brass tips, and stainless steel rods, they deliver exceptional durability and performance. For woodworkers who value simplicity, efficiency, and perfect alignment, this tool is an essential addition to any shop. For woodworkers who demand piston fit accuracy, the Woodpeckers BigCal calipers are an indispensable measuring and layout tool. Available in 12-inch and 24-inch sizes, they deliver machinist-level precision even on large projects. The perfectly aligned jaws let you transfer inside and outside dimensions instantly, without reading the scale, and the stainless steel blades are engraved with both inch and metric graduations. The built-in scribing notch allows you to mark exact dimensions effortlessly, while the reverse scale makes accurate depth measurement simple. In seconds, BigCal transforms into a T-square for layout work, offering unmatched versatility. Meticulously machined, assembled, and inspected in Ohio, BigCal ensures your projects start and finish with reliable, repeatable precision. Accurately setting angles other than the common 45-degree angle on woodworking machinery can be frustrating. Traditional squares and bevel gauges often don't sit flat on machine surfaces, leading to guesswork, misaligned cuts, and wasted material. Woodpeckers Polygauge SS solves this problem with 5 precision-milled angles commonly used in woodworking, all laser cut from a single piece of high-quality stainless steel. Its magnetic knob doubles as a stable stand, allowing you to dial in exact angles on table saws, jointers, miters, and more, raising the reference surface to avoid interference from inserts or rounded edges. With the Polygauge SS, you can set blade angles perfectly the first time, every time. Achieving perfectly rounded or chamfered corners on your woodworking projects can be tricky, especially when precision and repeatability are key. Whether you're working on cabinets, furniture, or trim, inconsistent corner finishes can undermine the overall quality and aesthetics of your work. Woodpeckers Corner Jig is designed to make creating perfect radiused or chamfered corners fast, easy, and repeatable. CNC machined from durable cast aluminum tool plate, it ensures precision and a perfect fit for your boards. The jig features 18 replaceable corner inserts, 12 radius and 6 chamfer sizes, so you can tailor your edges exactly to your project's needs. For router tables, simply pull back the hand slot to snugly fit the jig against the corner. No clamps, nails, or tape needed. For handheld routers, its large size leaves plenty of room for clamps and the router itself. The Woodpeckers MFT Layout and Assembly Square is an essential tool for any woodworker using a Festool MFT table or working on large assemblies. Precisely machined in the USA, it ensures perfect perpendicularity between your MFT fence, guide rail, and dog holes, eliminating guesswork and saving valuable setup time. The single-piece construction guarantees rock-solid accuracy with no parts to shift out of alignment. Integrated MFT positioning dogs quickly align your fence or rail at 0 degrees or 45 degrees, while the generous slots secure your workpiece and serve as a convenient handle. Whether you're holding large panels steady, dialing in cabinetry dry fits, setting accurate miters, or assembling big glue-ups, this square delivers the confidence and repeatability you need. For MFT users, it's not just a luxury, it's the key to dependable precision and efficiency. Beautiful turn pens demand flawless preparation before you ever mount them on the lathe. If the ends of your blank aren't trimmed perfectly square to the insert tube, you'll struggle with gaps, uneven glue lines, and unsightly transitions between components. The Woodpeckers PenMill CI is engineered to give pen turners unmatched accuracy and ease. Its razor-sharp nanograin carbide inserts are mounted in a robust, precision-machined milling head that stays perfectly perpendicular to your blank. When an edge eventually dulls, simply rotate the insert to a fresh cutting edge. No sharpening needed. Unlike smaller cutters that leave a visible halo, the PenMill CI's extra-large head trims blanks cleanly across the full width, even on 3/4-inch stock. Integrated fluted pilot reamers effortlessly clear glue residue and burrs inside the tube while guiding the mill true. Available in 12 popular sizes, it covers virtually any pen kit you'll encounter. Made in the USA, this tool delivers the Swiss-like precision and reliable performance that elevate every pen project. Accurate layout and assembly are the foundation of high-quality woodworking and cabinetry. The Woodpeckers precision triangles combine the ease of use of a carpenter's square with the size and precision essential for custom cabinetry, large panels, and fine furniture work. Whether you're marking 45-degree and 90-degree angles, checking squareness on assemblies, or setting up equipment, these triangles deliver unmatched stability and accuracy. Machined from cast and ground tool plate aluminum for exceptional dimensional stability, each triangle is verified within a tiny fraction of a degree of tolerance. The removable base provides versatility for layout, reference, or setup. For woodworkers who demand absolute precision, reliable squareness, and a robust reference tool, these triangles are indispensable in the shop. Flattening oversized slabs by hand demands repetitive stretching and leaning that can quickly become exhausting and inconsistent. The Woodpeckers EZDrive system eliminates this strain by giving you precise fingertip control of your slab flattening mill with 2 effortless crank handles. Its cogged belts advance the cross rails and router carriage smoothly and reliably across your entire work surface, ensuring faster, more uniform flattening without overreaching or repositioning yourself. Compatible with any Woodpecker's slab flattening mill, no matter the size or age, the EZDrive upgrade transforms your workflow into an efficient, ergonomic process. For anyone working on large slabs, this system isn't just convenient. It's essential for better results, reduced fatigue, and consistent precision every time. When you're working on fine woodworking projects, there are countless situations where you can't, or don't want to, use a power jigsaw. The Woodpeckers Jigsaw blade handle is the perfect solution for all those quick, precise cuts when pulling out a power jigsaw feels like overkill. Compatible with virtually any brand of jigsaw blade, this innovative handle lets you slip in a blade, lock it down with a stainless steel collet, and start cutting. No fuss. Use large blades for coarse work, fine blades for flush-cutting dowels and tenons, or scrolling blades for intricate slots. The handle itself is precision-turned from aircraft-grade aluminum, anodized for lasting protection, and paired with a stainless steel blade collet and butt cap for maximum durability. Balanced to feel great in your hand, it looks as good as it performs and will serve you for generations. Each handle even comes with a general-purpose wood-cutting blade to get you started right away. So there you have it, 10 of the coolest woodworking tools you can buy in 2025, especially if you're a fan of quality and precision like Woodpeckers delivers. Which one caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found a tool worth adding to your shop, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We bring you weekly videos on woodworking gear, DIY tools, and next-level workshop upgrades. Until next time, measure once, cut once, and build with confidence.